Ladies, make this for him a natural energy game changer. What if I told you there's a simple, delicious drink that could supercharge your husband's energy, not just in the gym or at work, but where it truly counts? Yes, that kind of energy. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a natural powerhouse blend that transforms energy levels, confidence, and performance, all with ingredients already in your kitchen. Whether you're married, single, or just looking to bring a little extra oomph into your daily routine, this drink is your answer. Packed with natural boosters like dates, tiger nuts, and ginger, it's not just healthy, it's a game changer. But here's the kicker, the combination of these ingredients works together in ways most people overlook. So grab a pen or hit save, because you'll want to make this part of your regular routine. This isn't just some random smoothie. Each ingredient plays a crucial role. Let me break it down. Dates, these aren't just sweet treats, they're energy bombs. Full of natural sugars, potassium, and antioxidants, they fuel the body for sustained energy. Tiger nuts, despite the name, they're not nuts. These tiny wonders are rich in magnesium and zinc, essential minerals for stamina and vitality. Ginger, known for its warming properties, ginger increases blood flow, giving the body that much-needed boost where it counts. Coconut, the natural fats in coconut provide a clean energy source while promoting hydration, because staying hydrated is critical for peak performance. Banana, loaded with potassium and carbs, bananas help muscles recover faster and stay strong. Milk, liquid milk ties it all together, adding protein and smoothness to the mix. The result, a creamy, nutrient-packed drink that's easy on the stomach and hard to resist. Here's how you whip up this powerful drink. Gather the ingredients. Dates about 5 tiger nuts, a handful, a small piece of ginger, half a cup of coconut water or milk, 1 ripe banana, and a cup of liquid milk. If your tiger nuts are dry, soak them for a few hours. This softens them and releases their full nutritional potential. Toss everything into a blender, dates, tiger nuts, ginger, banana, coconut, and milk. Blend until smooth. Adjust the consistency by adding more milk if needed. Pour into a chilled glass and enjoy immediately. You can even add a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flavor. This isn't just for married couples. Single men, you can take this too, especially if you're gearing up for a long day or need an energy boost before a big moment. It's also a great alternative to sugary energy drinks that leave you crashing after an hour. But for husbands, let's just say your energy levels in the other room won't go unnoticed. Imagine the confidence and vitality this drink can bring, without relying on artificial supplements. Now that you've got the recipe and the benefits, the next step is simple: try it. Make it today, share it with your partner, or even prep it as part of your weekly routine. But here's the deal, consistency is key. Don't just try it once, stick to it and see the results for yourself. And before you go, here's my challenge: once you've tried it, come back and share your experience in the comments. Did you notice the difference? Did it boost your energy? Your story could inspire someone else to take that first step towards better health and vitality. Hit that save button so you never lose this recipe. And if you're looking for more natural, effective tips like this, tap follow, because we're just getting started with simple, life-changing solutions.